trying to make it out of the sea, that's a fact.
All my brothers trapping hard up in a bando, screaming free. We've been talking through a Zanko. R.I.P. M, all he wanted was them bankrolls. Hard to get it right when you ain't getting it legit. Hitting cells like Vegeta. Favors I don't owe them. Them days I ain't had a pot to don't talk about risk. I'm taking them. All these one-on-ones like check, I ain't saving them. If you saw my eyes, then you'll probably see the pain in them. I see you hating, but what's all the hate for? Is it cause we're about to blow like some claymores?
I'm trying to make a little change, mommy thinks that I'm insane. Trying to make out the range, know that I'm a game. Let me tell you one fact, we ain't defending, we all out of attack. Disrespect ours and I'm coming right back. I can tell you about him.
Behold!
Slain an enemy.
Oh, the fury of the... Don't even try. Oh.